Hi there. We're going to show how to use the tabbed interface today in CT themes, the CT tab resources. And to do a new tab, you are going to scroll down to a new section of your page. And you're going to choose the CT button here called CPO shortcodes. You're going to choose Advanced and Interactive, Tab Content, Single Tab. You're going to type in your title, and you're going to go ahead and insert your content. You can have anything you want, so you can add photos, you can add documents, really anything that you want onto this page. And then you're going to take this series of code and you're going to wrap it around each tab. So you can see this one here starts with CT tab title equals sample letters, and then there's a bracket. You're going to grab this little section of code and remove it, and you're going to place it at the end of your code here. Now this CT tabs here at the bottom with the plural tabs, with a plural there, that actually closes the whole tab group. So that's what makes them all have tabs. But each individual tab has this code around it. And inside of that, you can put anything that you want in there. You can have paragraphs, you can have links to content, you can have videos. It just works really, really easily. And then you update your page. And now you can see we've added a fourth tab called Sample Letters with the content that we placed. It's as simple as that.